Here's how to add holes for magnets to your 3D models in Bambu Studio. When a model is loaded, click the right mouse button on the model. Go to Add Negative Part and select Cube. Click on OK to continue. Here you can select the cube. Then click on the Scale button. Uncheck Uniform Scale. For X, enter 10 mm. For Y, 5 mm. And for Z, 2 mm. You see the dimensions of the cube have changed. Select it and click on the Move button. Click on the Align Left Right Center button to align the shape with the center in the X direction. Now align it with the center of the Y direction. You can also align it with the sides of the model. Switch to a side view by using the View cube, and you can easily align it with the top side of the model. Because the model is higher on the left, it floats. Enter the position manually. Exit the menu. Now the negative part is ready to be cut out of the model. Click on the Preview button. And you see the hole is there. You can put a magnet inside the hole, for example. So if you're not capable of changing the model with other CAD software, this is a good method. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.